Wel, ni wedi gweld bod diddordeb yn cryfhau yn Cymru am gêm domestig yn Nghymru. Felly o'n i'n meddwl, ni wedi cael tyma bach o inspiration o Mundial sydd cylchgrawn, y quarterly cylchgrawn am pêl-drod yn y byd i gyd. Felly o'n i'n meddwl, gallwn ni wneud cylchgrawn am Cymru, neu geisio creu mwy o diddordeb yn y gêm. Welsh Soccer Ice yw'r enw.
Ar y blaen ti'n gallu gweld Lee Trundle, Welsh favourite. Mae stories am taclu'n Conwy Borough yn taclo homophobia. Mae stories am Spanish invasion o Llanelli. Mae cwbl o lluniau hyfryd o stadiums Cymru a popeth arall.
Shwmai, croeso, os ydw good evening. Great to see so many people here. Oh yeah, because of this.
It's nice to see somebody actually taking an interest in Welsh football. We see a lot of stuff online, but I haven't seen anything in print for a while now, so.
It's great for the people that are involved in the leagues, you know, the unsung heroes then. You see just having a flick through and you see talking about kitmen in the league, the Welsh League, and you know, people who've probably not been recognised for the hard work they put in.
When I was playing in the Welsh Premier, I would love to have had the exposure that it's getting now. It's a shame really, but yeah, so it's building all the time and long may it continue.
Mae'n tyma bach yn surreal i gweld y cylchgrawn yn fy nwylo. Mae lot o gwaith ti'n mynd mewn fe a dwi'n cyffroesi i alw nhw mas nawr i'r byd.